Alright guys, so my truck is a 06 MegaCab Cummins. Then this one here is a 07 QuadCab Cummins. When I was buying my truck, I was trying to look up differences between the two. And while I'm detailing this truck, I figured I'd go ahead and show the difference. As you can see, they're pretty well lined up. And there's how much longer the MegaCab is. So now I'll go and show you inside the back seats. So here's inside of mine, the MegaCab. You got a bunch of leg room. And then you also have, well, I got the car seat on this side, but you also got a bunch of space back here. And these back seats here recline, so you can, I'll go to the other side and show you guys real quick. Alright, so you got all this space back here. There's little compartments back here that you can put stuff into when you don't have junk covering them. As you can see there, little boxes. Okay, so that's all the way up. And then you can also recline the seats. It'd get back a little bit more if there wasn't junk back there, as you can see. And all this floor space is with the front seats all the way back. So as you can tell, it's pretty decent amount of room. I should have got a tape measure, but you guys get the point. So now in the regular QuadCab, let me make sure the seats are all the way back. In the regular QuadCab, I can't spread my hand all the way out, and there is no room behind the seats whatsoever. So you cannot recline the seats. Although there is storage underneath them, which is pretty nice. Yeah, the difference is pretty pretty dramatic. We'll go with that word. So I feel like mine is definitely better for the family. Then I think this blue one here does not have a leveling kit on it. No, and mine does. So if you're wondering about that, also the backs are the same, as you can see. The fronts, it's kind of hard to get both of them in the picture. There you can kind of tell there. Here's on my self, so it goes right below my pocket. Actually, I'll get a tape measure. Okay, so we'll go to tow hooks. Well, I guess some of you guys might not have tow hooks, I don't know. We'll still do it. So, belt center is, I'd say 30 inches. This one's about 26 inches. Wow, so 4-inch difference there. Now that I have a tape measure, I'll go and measure the back seats. So we'll go from the seat, I'd say about 7 inches. And mine about 14 inches. So you got twice the amount of leg room. And then you also have all the space behind it where you can recline the seats. So I definitely think it's worth it. So I definitely think it's worth getting a MegaCab if you got a family. I mean, if you don't have a family or anybody that's going to sit in the back seat, it's kind of pointless to have that long of a truck if you're not really going to take advantage of the extra room. But if I got 3 kids and my wife, we all ride in the truck and got plenty of room. She's got a 2020 Traverse and it's 3-row seating and all that. Less one of the kids sit in the back. My truck has a lot more room than hers. So it's definitely a great family vehicle. Kind of a way for dad to have a truck or mom. But I figured I'd show you guys the difference. I know when I bought my truck, I tried looking up the difference, and I mean, you can look at one video with one truck and then another video with another truck, but it was never comparing the two. So I figured I had the opportunity, might as well go and do it. Well, I know it's a short video, but I figured I'd show the difference. You guys have a good one.